Hey everyone, Marcin here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wanted to create a tutorial for this fun little gag that I do, and you can do it almost anytime. In the middle of tricks, before tricks, as you're doing magic shows. Sorry, I'm a little sick today. Sorry. Yeah, it's throwing up cards. This sleight needs very little skill. It's really a matter of presentation and where you put it. This is slow motion. One more time. So this is mechanics grip. What I do is I take mechanics grip and I lower the cards just a bit as I'm talking. I thumb count just like 20 cards. I don't count each one, I just estimate about 20 cards. And I place them down on the table, go up to my mouth, and right when I cough, my right hand goes up with my left hand. So here, right hand goes up with my left hand. You can see that in the middle of this process, you might be able to see the cards, but they won't. It's too quick. They're looking here. You need just this one moment. If you probably rewind, you'll see the cards somewhere. You flash them. It's a very instantaneous moment. It's all about misdirection, mental misdirection. Right hand and my left hand go up at once. My right hand goes underneath the cards. Cough. Slide the cards down like this. Hands are in mechanics grip, a little lower. My right hand goes to the cards. The deck is hot. Everyone's looking at the deck at this point. Separate, find your 20 cards, and then angle both of them. Right when you're angled, like this bottom pack will be hidden from view. The top pack will be seen. Take your right hand and slap it in the front of your table. They won't be looking here. Right when it slaps, the right hand comes to the cards, and you cough them. Okay? The angle's important. Angle, boom. Their eyes will stay there at least for 3 seconds. You don't have to worry. Just take it, clean up, and that's your cleanup. Then don't do it again. They'll ask you to do it again, but don't do it again. When I first learned this little gag, I just spread them. You can even throw them on the table. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's how your style works. You don't have to spread them perfectly. Some people like to a dainty spread. You can spread and let them fall on the floor. People will still be impressed, as long as they can see them. As long as they can see the cards coming out of your mouth, right? That's important. And then you can drop them. So I can go, spread them out this way. Bill Malone goes straight down. I don't know what I do. I change my mind. Sometimes I actually put them in my mouth. It hurts your mouth, so you have to be careful. Be careful with the sides of your mouth of the card. You can get paper cuts on the side of your mouth, so be careful with that. Variations on this trick. You don't need a table. If you're doing close-up and you're standing around on the street, you say, how usually you put cards and people say, hey, could you make a table for me? I usually ask a lot of other people to make a table. I hand them the cards, I put it in the middle of the hands, I was like, hold it. Thank you. You can even take the cards and wipe it on their, they usually don't like it. It's funny. The person doesn't like it, everyone else likes it, so who cares, right? It's all about the sound. It's all about the jerk. And it's all about the presentation of it.